doing today is gonna be actually insane, crazy, and it's gonna be absolutely chaotic, guys. It's gonna be like at the top level of craziness. You know what I mean? Okay, by the way, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, really appreciate when you do, and comment down below what you would want for me to do next. And what would you like to see in the comments down below? And I'll make sure to pick up some suggestions. But as I said, this is gonna be actually insane. Okay. It's gonna have something to do with Godzilla. No? Wait. No. It's King Kong. I'm so sorry, King Kong. Let's go. Woo, he's so big. He's so big. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know to go. Oh, he's gone. I'm telling you guys, I keep on messing up Godzilla and him. Oh, where did he go? I was about to speak, and all of a sudden he's gone. He just disappeared. Okay. Let's go, King Kong. I'm approaching you. Oh, what? What's he made out of rocks? How can I not destroy him? Come on. I'm just climbing him. No, he's gonna break my car. Please, Mr. King Kong, stay back, stay back. Okay, let's try this one. This one should work, guys. This one should work. And it's not working. What is going on? Oh my god, my vehicle. Oh my god, this is so difficult. We're gonna do this tornado. Tornado has got to work, guys. Come on. Strike watermelon. He's right there. My tornado is bigger than him. There's 100% chance he will die. I mean, maybe like a 90% chance instead. So let's go. Let's go. What? I still can't break him even with my freaking tornado. What is going on? Hello? Well, I guess that was a fail. Okay, let's try catapult. Catapult time. My favorite. Let's go from it. Boom. Oh, brutal. Absolutely brutal, guys. What? Okay, another one. Meteor strike. Let's go. And oh my god. Absolutely shredded, guys. I have no words. He's on fire. How did he even try that? I thought he was like, oh, and not another one. How is he? Okay, no, he's gone. He's gone. He cannot recover from this. There's a massive hole in him, guys. What? An airplane. Obviously not gonna survive an airplane. Oh, maybe he will? Oh, maybe a little bit. I don't know. I can't really tell if it's doing anything to him. Oh, it is. It is. That's a thin layer. How is he already down? I thought you were stronger than this King Kong. Okay, never mind. I broke his skull. Oopsie. By the way, guys, make sure to like, subscribe. Really appreciate what you do. It makes my day. Oh, gotta punch him. Oh, is he already gone? I barely did anything to you. Come on now. Mega gun. Let's go. And oh, absolutely shredded. This is the best one yet. He has no chance of surviving this at all. Ooh, yeah, just like I said, he has no chance of surviving this. And again, there you got a better one. Woo! Who is that? He's King Kong. He's not there. He's gone. Oh, that actually rhymes. Surprisingly, that rhymed. Ooh, let's use a mini. Let's go. Look at him explode. It's actually kind of sad. It's sad for him because he's losing, taking an L after an L. Ooh, a flamethrower. Let's go. Okay. Okay, just fire. Just fire this point. Come on. brutal to him. What, that laser? Oh, lightsaber. Let's go. I'm gonna cut his little feet off. Die! No, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Fall, fall, fall. Ooh. Yeah, I am the Jedi. I am the Jedi. You cannot defeat me. Look at him. Woo. Let's go. Keep on shooting and he's trying to hit air around him, okay? He cannot do anything. Stop putting. By the way, guys, make sure to like, subscribe. I really appreciate what you do. It really makes my day. And he's stumbled over. You cannot defeat me. I'm telling you guys, I am the W. A walking W. He's the L. Yeah. Ooh, we got Thor's hammer. Absolutely obliterated with one hit. One hit. King Kong doesn't stand a chance against Thor's hammer. Ooh, a train. The train that would actually do something, but the train apparently isn't strong enough to beat him. I really thought that it would actually do something to him. I mean, it was going at a high speed, but no, it just didn't want to, I guess. Oh, lava gun. Well, he's already gone. He's obliterated. I'm telling you guys, this is actually insane. Nuclear strike. It's gonna wipe out the whole city too. Yep. Well, not really. That was actually kind of minimal. Come on. I can't see him. Oh, there he is. Gone. Dead. Absolutely not there anymore. I mean, his dead body is, but you know what? You can't really do any harm anyone. Iron Man, let's go. Oh! Okay, now we know that King Kong can easily be defeated by Thor and Iron Man. So, who else do you think he can be defeated by? Leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to check them out. Oh, okay. What is that? Oh, something that will literally end him in literally seconds? Within seconds, he's gone. I can literally defeat him easily with any kind of weapon. And pure will. Now we got the omni cutter and wow. This is the most quietest, most deadly. Silent but deadly. That's literally what it is. Silent but deadly. It literally, I didn't have to do anything. It just literally destroyed by itself. I mean, I just had to paint a little drawing and then it's gone. Oh, this car is freaking massive, guys. Woo! Okay. Oh, it's doing minimal damage. No, he's gonna break me! Try me to fail. Oh! My car! I was using that, Mr. King Kong. You're not the King Kong of the King Kongs. Wow. Physics guys, I can try again. Woo! Yeah. How do you like that? We're gonna explode you. Woo! I broke the. Oh my god. Yes. Literally. Yes. Fall down, mister. Hello. I can't really grab him. Okay. Gravitizer. Oh, bye-bye, I guess. Woo! Gone. Out of sight, out of mind. I feel like this is not gonna do really well. Because he's pretty big. He's pretty big, and I don't know if I can really destroy him, guys. Okay. Let's try hungry slime. Oh. Ooh! Well, I guess I just eat him. Oh, you're not gonna be no! Oh my god, that was so close. His head went right back into his body. What? I don't even know what to do at this point. Hang on, let's go. Woo! He's not surviving this. I'm telling you, he's not surviving anything. What? How many times have I defeated him? Probably like all of them except that one time when he literally tried to break my freaking car. King Kong. And I don't know it. Ooh, we got a katana that literally slices him, and everything else. Sickest weapon I've ever seen. It's so cool. What? It's actually insane. It's so deadly and dangerous. Obviously. Lightning him. Oh, he's opened his mouth. Ah! Okay. This isn't going well. Well, this is really not going well, guys. By the way, guys, make sure to like, subscribe. I really appreciate when you do it. And make sure to comment down below what you want to see next in the comments down below. I already said that, but I'll say it again. Yeah, this is not. I don't think this is really working out for him. For me. Well, it's working out for him. Because it was not getting down to him at all. And then let's go this and we're missing. We keep on missing. Oh, wow. Oh, it's actually really strong. I didn't expect to be this strong. What? Oh, hello. Oh, he was actually shattered. Oh. I just make him old. I just made him. This was the fastest. Let me say fastest. The fastest time that I've like destroyed him for. It's been like 3 seconds, 2 seconds, barely any time. He's already dead. Damn, these weapons are so like good. What? Let's keep on going. This is not the end, guys. I'm still needing to destroy him. See how many times destroying them more I will be able to do. And damage. Yep, and now he's crumbling down. Bye bye. Bye bye. Mr. King Kong, you are not surviving this. Oh, he's falling on the map. Woo! I see pieces of him there. Damn. Where am I? Oh, this is gonna be deadly. This is gonna be insane. Woo! He's like a campfire, guys. Look how much he's burning. Relax, Mr. King Kong. Relax. Oh, I'm still going. I do not care. He's gonna burn to the ground. Yes, I'm telling you guys, he cannot win against me. No one can win against me in a video game. Okay, guys, I am the video game master. Let's go. How is he still standing? Hello, King Kong? No, don't approach me. His strike. Did you see that? It's actually insane. Oh my god. Oh, bye-bye towers. I can't even see the city. I don't even know where King Kong is. There's just pure smoke everywhere. I feel like that's not really environmentally friendly, but this is a video game and we do not care. Okay, let's keep on going. Look at that. That is actually so satisfying. I know I say the word satisfying a lot, but it actually is. Really is. Look at that. Look at those explosions. And by the way, guys, it's being harmed in this video except King Kong. So there's no people in there. Even though it's a video game, no one's there. So it's okay. We can do this. Oh, explosion after explosion. Damn, I cannot see the city at all, guys. At all. I don't even know where the road is. I don't even know where anything is. Why? Because it's literally like blocked. And it's gone. And I cannot see anything. Look how much smoke there is, guys. Imagine if you were there. Would you even be able to breathe? I don't think so.